Hey y'all, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2014 Adam Julite 2-horse straight load bumper pull. This trailer is immaculate. It is like new condition. It is white. It is all aluminum with a pressure treated wood floor. It does have the aerodynamic nose. It does have the gravel guard across the front. I'm actually going to go around the other side. I meant to go this way first anyway. So it does have 2 full escape doors. It does have full running boards. This door, let me show you the one place in this door. Of course, hold on. I'm going to show you this with the escape door open, then I'm going to shut this door so I can show you the one little ding in the door. So that shows you the escape door open. Give me a second. Sorry about that. One place in the door. So it's kind of hard to see. One place. Can't even really see it at a distance, but wanted to show you that one spot on that escape door. It's the only place on this trailer. It has a rear ramp with Dutch doors. Horse box looks like a horse has never been in it. It is immaculate. So it has roof vents, has the head divider that is removable. All the dividers are removable, the head divider and this middle divider, they all come out. All the padding looks brand new. They've got the actual feed bags, added feed bags, by Professional Choice added in here. Again, chest and butt bars are in excellent shape. Padding is in excellent shape. Again, the trailer it's like new. Sliders on the rear, mats on the floor. It has escape door on both sides. Again, those full running boards. Dressing room, carpeted, amazing shape, no issues, no tears, no snags, nothing like that, no leaks. Has a window in the dressing room. Does have a spare. Stepping in, it's got bridle hooks and 2 saddle racks. It is 7'6" tall. Width on this trailer, I'm going to say 6 wide. I will do the measurement in the ad. So as soon as I do the ad, I'll have the actual measurements. But this again is a 2014 Julite 2-horse straight load Adam bumper pull in immaculate shape. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Y'all have a great day.